Not only is it professional to use a seam ripper, it also reduces the risk of tearing your clothes while losing an unwanted stitch and also reduces the risk of cutting yourself with your razor blade. So quickly, let me show you how you can use this simple designer tool. Now, this is a stitch I would want to loosen. You're going to ignore this very tight startup stitch and you're going to go some meters into the stitch where the stitch is more lighter. Using the sharp part of my seam ripper, I'll just pass in through and cut out a thread. Now I'll go back into it and like pull out two strands of the thread. This is to make it have an opening inward. Then I'll go ahead to push in the sharper part into the already opened angle like this. Then I will pull my seam ripper through. As you pull it through, it will automatically begin to lose your stitches. Kindly take note that your seam ripper is expected to be placed in between your thread lines as you pull, okay? Now, for the startup stitch, here is what you should do. You are going to take the sharp part of your seam ripper, pull from the top, the middle, and the other end. All you have to do is to pick your threads randomly. This is to reduce or weaken the stitch at that point before you go ahead to use your seam ripper to rip out the stitches at that part. Doing this reduces the risk of tearing. Kindly take note, your seam ripper at this center point is expected to be placed in between your stitch line like this. See this my thread lines. Make sure that your seam ripper, the center of it, is just placed in between like this before you go ahead to pull through and loose. Kindly take note, I am putting the sharper part inside the fabric as I pull. The tighter the stitch, the more strength you will need to push through your seam ripper. Thank you. Have a great day.